My name is Kelli Hawkins. I'm with the Mike Morse Law Firm. I have been with the firm for a little over 5 years now. The people are great. Everyone is really friendly and wonderful, and I enjoy fighting for the ordinary people. I think people feel like they have to take whatever insurance companies give them, but that's not true, and we fight for the regular guy. I would own a bakery. I love to bake, and I would go to culinary school and pastry school probably, and have a bakery. So if I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way, and that's Martin Luther King Jr. I have 2 wonderful boys, and me and my husband like to take them on adventures and things. We camp a lot. I love to read, so I'm constantly reading, and I love to bake and cook. Detroit's wonderful. They really built it up, I feel like, lately, and it's got a lot of great places to eat. It's got a lot of great places to see and visit, and Michigan as a whole I love because of the seasons and the weather. Maybe not so much winter, but the other ones. They can know that I am always here. I'm very available and open to them, as I think all of us are here in the firm, and we're really out to help you. That is honestly true. We want to help just the regular guy.